Welcome to the official audio-video overview for the proposed initial public offering (IPO) of Rite Water Solutions India Limited. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the IPO on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated February 10, 2025, DRHP. Rite Water Solutions India Limited's IPO consists of a fresh issue of face value of 2 rupees each, up to 3,000 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 4,450 million rupees. The offer for sale comprises the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholder and investor selling shareholder in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Incorporated on September 24, 2004, with its registered and corporate office situated in Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. As per One Lattice report, we are the only clean tech company in India with a diverse offering for rural transformation focused on water solutions, solar agriculture solutions, and Internet of Things solutions for energy, agriculture, and water management sectors. We are the second fastest growing company in the water sector in terms of revenue between fiscal 2022 and fiscal 2024, among the largest listed water sector companies, standing out with a strong EBITDA margin, improving from 11.32% in fiscal 2022 to 34.77% in fiscal 2024, reflecting operational efficiency and growth trajectory. Source: One Lattice Report. The One Lattice report is commissioned by our company and is paid for by our company exclusively in connection with the offer, and any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the offer is subject to inherent risks. Since our incorporation in 2004, we have grown from a water solutions provider to a clean tech player, offering solutions in water treatment, solar agriculture, and IoT for rural sustainability. Our services include water purification, solar irrigation, cold storage, and digital monitoring, along with operation and maintenance for projects across these three verticals. According to One Lattice report, water and wastewater treatment, solar pumps, and IoT industry are expected to grow at CAGR of 12.0%, 32.1%, and 20.5% respectively from fiscal 2024 to fiscal 2030 respectively, with a total addressable market of $37.1 billion for fiscal 2024. As of December 31, 2024, we are engaged in projects across 21,807 villages. As an indicator of our scale, we had 9,131 installations with purifying capacity of 627.42 million liters of water every day in the states of Maharashtra, Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, West Bengal, and Chhattisgarh. As of December 31, 2024, we have installed more than 8,736 solar pumps under the PM Kusum scheme across 3,831 villages in the states of Maharashtra and Rajasthan, and have installed 22 solar-based cold storages to support farmers with their produce and storage in the states of Maharashtra. As of December 31, 2024, our ongoing IoT operations are focused on energy and water management, monitoring, and optimization. We are currently in the process of implementing 250 schemes aimed at enhancing water management across 2,639 villages in the water sector and 1,837 substations in the energy sector, which will facilitate real-time data utilization and enhance energy efficiency and foster smart farming practices. As an asset-light company, we focus on manufacturing specific core components essential to our operations. Our asset-light model is a strategic choice that aligns with our focus on innovation and quality in core components while enjoying the flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency offered by outsourcing other parts of the production process. This model not only supports our growth objectives but also enhances its ability to adapt to the dynamic global market for clean water technologies. Key risks: we derive a significant portion of our revenue from operations from contracts awarded by government entities under various government-sponsored schemes through a bidding process. Any change in the government policies, schemes, political instability or focus and/or any inability to procure such contracts in the future would adversely affect our business, financial conditions, and result of operations. Our projects are awarded primarily through a competitive bidding process. We may not be able to qualify for, compete and win projects, or identify new projects, or lose contracts on account of lack of government support or incorrect cost estimation, which could adversely affect our business and results of operations. We have experienced significant growth in our PAT by 96.95% from fiscal 2023 to 2024 and 188.43% from fiscal 2022 to 2023. However, our growth in the past may not be indicative of our future financial performance. Failure to effectively manage our growth could materially and adversely affect the success of our business and/or impact our margins. Our business is dependent on the performance of the water solutions, solar agriculture, and IoT sectors. Any adverse changes in the conditions affecting such sectors may adversely impact our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. Our order book may not be representative of our future results, and our actual income may be significantly less than the estimates reflected in our order book, as the projects that are included in our order book may be delayed, modified, cancelled, not fully paid, or suspended by our customers. Please read the section Risk Factors beginning on page 29 of the DRHP. Promoters of our company are Vinayak S. Gan and Abhijit V. Gan, who together hold 67.16% of the issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of our company on a fully diluted basis. 32.84% of equity shares of our company on a fully diluted basis are held by public shareholders. 67.16% of the paid up equity share capital on a fully diluted basis is held by the promoter selling shareholders, and 16.18% of the paid up equity share capital on a fully diluted basis is held by the investor selling shareholders. Selling shareholders are selling equity shares aggregating up to 4,450 million rupees as part of the offer for sale. The board of directors of the company consists of 6 directors, 3 of which are independent directors, including 1 woman independent director. Our revenue from operations stood at approximately 2,027.49 million rupees, with an operating EBITDA margin of approximately 34.77% in fiscal 2024. The company registered a profit after tax of approximately 492.80 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 24.31% in fiscal 24. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages beginning 211 for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving the company. Any adverse outcome in such legal proceedings may affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. Please read outstanding litigations and material developments beginning on page 419 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds of the fresh issue from offer towards funding working capital requirements of our company and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building process in accordance with Regulation 6(1) of the SEBI ICDR regulations, with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer on a proportionate basis to QIBs, not less than 15% of the net offer to non-institutional bidders, and not more than 35% of the net offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited. JM Financial Limited and Axis Capital Limited are the book running lead managers. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated February 10, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters and selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.